Hello there, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun learning week. Children, for today, we have another consonant to learn. Are you excited? Very good. I hope that you could still remember the letter that we had learned last time. It says P. What letter is that? Very good. It's letter P. Now we will have another one, and this is letter D. What letter is this? Very good, it's letter D. What is the sound of letter D? Letter D, letter D. What is the sound of letter D? Everybody, you say D, 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 D. Can you say it again? Great. Letter D says D, D, D. Always remember the sound of that letter, children. This time, I have here different shapes with different letters. Put a check on the shapes with letter D. Can you find the shape here with letter D inside? I'm giving you 5 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ready? Ta-da! Did you get them right, children? Wonderful. Now let us learn how to write the letter D. Get ready with your pointer finger. Where are your pointer fingers, children? Very good. So let us follow all the lines that we have here. We have one arrow down from the top going down. That's vertical line. Whoop. And a curve line, a big curve line. Whoop. One more time. 1 and 2. How about the small one? 1 vertical line, 1 and a small curved line from the middle. 2. One more time. Whoop and whoop. Did you get it? Great. I know you did it. Now I will show you different pictures of objects with the beginning sound. Listen very well to the first sound that you would hear, and you follow Teacher Ira so that you would learn the name of the following pictures. Are you ready? If you're ready, then let us begin. The dog, the dog, the duck, the duck, the donkey, the donkey. The donkey looks like a horse, but it's a small version of that. The door. The door. It's the part of the house where we enter. That's door. The drum. The drum. What's the sound of the drum? Yes, it says boom, 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 boom. That has a very loud sound as well. The dot. The dot. It's like next, the deer. The deer. It's an animal with a very nice antler. You call that one antler, not horn. The dove. The dove. The donut. Who likes donut? What's your favorite flavor of the donut? Wow, I like it too. The doll. The doll. I know that you girls love it. The dress. The dress. A very nice dress. The doctor. The doctor. The doctor is the one who cures us from our sickness. He is one of our community helpers, and he is helping the community a lot. The dentist. The dentist. The dentist is the one who takes care of our teeth. The dice. The dice. Have you tried playing with this one? Wow. The domino. Dominoes. Diaper. Diamond. Diamond. This is one of the most precious gems that we have. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Deeper. Deeper. Drill. Who's using the drill? Yes, your dad. Most of the dads are using this. Drill. Dome. Dome. Now, I want you to encircle the objects that belong to letter D. Can you find them? Is it the drum, the pail, the dinosaur, the dog, the diamond, grapes, dice, or couch? I'm giving you 5 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me see if you got all the right answers. So first is the drum, dinosaur, the dog, the diamond, the dice. Did you get all those 5 correct answers? Great job, children! And because of that, I will give you 1, 2, 3 stars! Yay! Great job, kids! You deserve these stars. Remember, the letter that we had for today, it's letter D. And the sound of letter D is? Very good, D. Kids, always remember that sound is very important in reading. I hope that you would not forget about that. I hope that you would always remember the letter that we had learned for today. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.